everyone and welcome back to Iris Cooks, and today I'm making those amazing and delicious cheese balls. It will take us just 15 minutes to make them, and it would be the best addition to your party table. So I can't wait, let's start making them. Let's start with making our delicious cheese balls. For this recipe you would need the mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, a bit of butter, mayo, garlic, and for coating I will use sesame seed, paprika, and the poppy seeds. We'll start with mixing our ingredients. The butter should be really soft. This is a room temperature butter. I'll put it in my shredded cheese. This is a mozzarella cheese. It's really good for making cheese balls because it's more sticky than parmesan cheese. So I add my butter. So now I need to add just 1 tablespoon of mayo. It's more than enough. And I've got 2 cloves of garlic. Two cloves of garlic. If you don't like garlic, put less garlic, but garlic is the main ingredient here. It actually gives a very delicious taste. Squash my garlic. And now I need to mix my cheese with mayo and butter. I'll do it with my hands because it's much easier. So mixing really well until all the ingredients combined. And the mixture should be very sticky. So my mixture is ready. So now I'll start forming balls. Just roll them. It shouldn't be too big. You see how my ball looks like? So now I start rolling my balls. So all my cheese balls are ready and I'll start coat them. First few cheese balls I'll coat in a shredded parmesan cheese. You just simply roll it in a parmesan cheese and it stick to the ball this way. And the first ball is ready. Continue with the rest of my balls. Second ball. The next 3 cheese balls will be coated in poppy seeds. With the poppy seeds. Take my cheese ball and roll around in a poppy seeds. Look at this. The next one will be a paprika. So we'll be coated in a paprika, ground paprika. And it looks very nice and red. And my last one is the sesame seeds. I roll in sesame seeds. My cheese balls are ready, so now I'm going to place it on a board. You can use a plate. I like boards, cutting board. And we're ready to serve. And it's ready to serve.
Enjoy your cheese balls. You can enjoy them straight away, or you can keep them in the fridge for up to 3 days in a closed container. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye!